Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the 7th part of my series of tutorials on how to create a to-do list app using SwiftUI with the MVVM structure and protocols. We are making our app testable and encapsulate all the layers one from another, and we use SwiftUI. We don't cover unit tests here, but our code is testable. If you are new to my channel, check out the previous parts of this tutorial, and if you don't want to, just use the link below to download a starter project. So let's begin. So the last few parts were way too long, so let's make this one a short one. So today we will create a context menu for our grid view items so we can delete lists. So it will be fast and easy in SwiftUI. So first of all, make sure you open my list view, go all the way down to grid view, and just simply add a modifier context menu to navigation link. You see it creates a context menu with 3 menu items. So let's check if it works. Let's run a live preview here and let's click and hold this item. You see there are 3 items. And it's true for each of these elements. For things that won't work now, let's just create new text. So this will be future features that won't work now. Add a new task. This will be maybe edit the list, or just edit, or edit task, and this will be button because we need interaction to it. So it will have an action, delete, and this text will be delete. Foreground color, system red. Yeah, let's get rid of this action now and let's check how it looks now. Yeah, these things are not implemented yet, and delete is by some reason not red. Yeah, now let's change our text to labels, I think, because it doesn't look nice. Let's open SF symbol and search for add. Now let's use this one. Instead of text, let's use label. It just simply has text and system image plus app. Let's search for edit. Let's use this pencil. Create a new label. And this will be trash. Let's check it. Run the live preview and click and hold it. Now you see the items here with icons. Okay, let's stop the live preview. Yeah, let's get rid of this one. It appears it doesn't work yet in context menus. And also let's try to add divider here to make our delete method more distinctive. Yeah, now it's better. Well, it looks pretty good. So now we need to present an alert here So we may reuse the one that we have in list view. Yeah, and we have our alert implemented here, but the problem is that it uses index set to delete, while here we don't have index set. So we can either get an index and convert it into an index set here, or we can refactor our method here. Yeah, so let's refactor it. So let's use delete item, and instead of index set, let's create a new function called delete lists that will get an array of lists here. Yeah, and here we will just simply call this method delete lists. Or even let's make it just delete list, because we always are going to delete just one list. And here we'll pass our list, and that's pretty much it. And so for this method that we use in our list view, we'll just convert this index set to a list. It will be guardlet list. View model, lists, first, else, return, and instead of index set to delete, we'll use list to delete. It will be TL list. Here we'll have list to delete. Okay. Yeah, potentially we might want to double check if an element of this index set exists here, but for now let's leave it like this, and this will be list to delete, and this will be a list. Or even simpler, we'll move it here, and here we'll just call our method delete list. We'll pass a list here. That's pretty much it. Also, we no longer need this thing for us, but we still probably use it in our task list view. So we'll leave it for now, or don't we? I don't remember. No, yeah, we don't have it here. So we no longer need this index set extension, so let's delete it for now. We may leave this folder here because we will probably need to add new extensions later. And this will be our list, and our view model will have just method delete list. And yeah, and that should do it. Yeah, now let's try to check if it works. Press resume button. So we could have stopped it for now. Yeah, let's run this live preview again. Let's press here, click delete. Sure we want to delete this list, and delete, and it works. And if you press cancel, it doesn't delete anything. Awesome. Yeah, now let's create a new, let's build and run it to double check if it works in our simulator. Yeah, let's create a new list. Let's try to delete it. Awesome, this works. So that was simple, right? So that's it for today. I'll leave a link to the complete project in the description to this video. Thank you for watching this. Let me know in comments if you want some particular aspect or feature or anything to be covered in the next parts. And feel free to ask me if you have any problems with your app. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.